How to modify a point with AnimCurve modifier in DaVinci Resolve. Go to the Fusion page, drag a text plus, and connect it to Media Out. Select the text, type some text, and adjust its style to your liking. Go to Layout tab. Here for the center property there are two properties X and Y. Right-click on Center and choose Modify. Here you can see that there is no AnimCurves. Instead, choose XY path. Now go to Modifiers tab and click on the red diamond buttons. Now you can right-click on the X or Y property and choose Modify with AnimCurves. Change Offset, which is the initial value of the animation, to 0.25. Set Scale, which is the ending value of the animation, to 0.5. Also, you can change the curve to your liking. Now the X value of this text starts from 0.25 when the playhead is at the start of the composition, and ends with 0.5 when the playhead is at the end of the composition. Now you can go back to the edit page,